It is really, really good. Hi, Connie and Ella. How are you guys this morning? All right. So yesterday we talked about this concealer, and I showed you guys. I'm going to go ahead and put on some eye primer really quick. I need to order me some more eye primer. I've been saying that for like a month, like literally. Let me go ahead and get that on, and then we're going to do the concealer underneath the eyes. So yesterday we slowed it down a little bit, and I showed you all the new technique that I like to use for our concealer, because this concealer, less is more, okay? And a little bit goes a long way. So what you're going to do is you're going to put a dot on each corner of your eye, okay? You don't need to like dot it all the way under. You don't need to draw it like you see those YouTube bloggers do. That's not necessary, okay? What you're going to do is you're going to dot it. You're going to start out here on this outer corner, and we're going to start using our finger, and we're going to work our way down. Because what this does is it causes the concealer to warm up to your skin and thin out, okay? So, and I've even wiped a little excess off my finger as I blend. And then you just blend down. I mean, you can see how much I've got here. And then you're going to start working it up underneath the eye. The underneath part of the eye is the last place that you want to work it. And I'm actually wiping off the excess on my finger because it doesn't take much, kids. So I'm just kind of pressing that into my skin. We're getting all the way up into that corner, because that corner of your eye, a lot of us get really dark in that corner of the eye, right? So we don't want to look like we have a bruised eye or dark, or, you know, I have allergy eyes, I really do. So, and you're just going to blend that right up, and that's what you're going to get. Can you guys tell the difference? I'm obsessed with this. I'm going to dial this down just a little bit. It's so silky on your skin. I know, it really does minimize the size of pores, Leslie. I would agree with that as well. So do you guys like this new little technique I've got going on with the concealer here? It takes a little bit more time, I think, to rub it in. But the effects are great. So remember, this new Skin Solutions concealer, what makes it different from our Skin Perfecting concealer is that the Skin Perfecting concealer is going to blur out blemishes, and it's also a full coverage product. But, you know, I am all about quality ingredients. And the thing that makes it different from the other concealer, that this is different, the Skin Solution, is that the Skin Solution concealer has sodium hyaluronate in it, which is a micromolecule that is found in your joints and in your skin, which hydrates, okay? So we all know that this under area under our eye tends to get really, really dry, right? It's very thin skin. It's very friable. It means it could be damaged very easy. And there's also caffeine in this. So we all know that with fine lines and wrinkles, we need all the help that we can get to minimize. So I wear Eyelet in the foundation, and in the concealer, I'm wearing Scarlet. Now, I did, Jennifer, go give a try to the Marquette, which is the absolute ultra whitest shade that we have. And I actually like the way it looked as well. So I borrowed that from Julie when we were down at the beach. She had it. And I was scared to get it because I was, you know, really afraid that it was going to make things look too white. And actually it didn't. I really like the Marquette as well. So you want to highlight with concealer if you're highlighting the center of your forehead. So kind of in a starburst pattern here. And right in this area is where you're going to, this is your highlight area. This is where the light tends to reflect. The ball of your chin, okay? You're going to do the ball of your chin. Hi, Heather. Good morning. Hi, Ashley. It's going good this morning, girl. So, you're going to highlight the ball of your chin. All right. That is pretty. I love the way that looks. All right. So now the last part is just dabbing this up the center of the nose. And as you can see, like I'm having to sort of wipe off the excess on my finger because it's such full coverage, and it allows so much to get on your skin. Like, you don't need a lot, guys. So you don't need to be taking this and like literally drawing all over your face. First off, you know, it's quality product, so a little bit goes a long way. Plus, I understand that our products cost a little bit more than drugstore brands, okay? I get that. You're not going to pay $10 or $12 or $9.99 for one of our concealers. So you don't want to be wasting it. A little bit is going to go a long